pools are some of the most popular things I've seen on Pinterest lately, and it just so happens that Jeremy with One Stop Services has installed one at one of our jobs very recently. The homeowner, like everybody else who wants a stock pool or has a stock pool at home, wanted just a little bit of a area they could dip in when it's hot, because it gets so hot here in Mobile, but they don't want the expense of a giant pool. So I think this is a good alternative to that. So tell us a little bit about this.
This right here
is
an 8x8x2, which makes it a 700-gallon pool. It's really light. You can buy these at Tractor Supply. You can buy these at any of your major livestock stores. You know, if you have a place where you live at that's a little country town, whatever, I'm sure they'll have them there. Anyway, these are light, easy to haul, easy to install. You can also drill into the side here and install a pool pump, which you can run it just like you would a pool that you would buy at your Walmart, Academies, anything.
Because I have a pool, and I can't imagine just having stagnant water all summer. It'll be like a bathtub, and it gets algae and dirty and all that. So having the pool pump helps circulate that water and keep it fresh and moving. So the other thing I love so much about a stock pool is that if you have small kids or a dog, of course you can use that as their little wading pool, but also it's easy to fill up and then empty out as needed. So you don't have to use it all summer. You can kind of just fill it up when the feeling arises that you want to get get cooled off, and you're not maintaining this all the time pool. So it's a good alternative to just having a full-size pool.
And it's more inviting in the backyard. It looks nice. It's that rustic look that a lot of people are looking for
right now.
So
yeah,
I mean, I encourage it.
And it's so affordable too.
That's right. This is not a break your bank. It'd be about what you would spend going and buying one of those blow-up pools that lasts you maybe a year and a half, whatever.
And I like the idea too that if you are thinking about getting a pool, this is a way that you can kind of dip in. See what I just did there? Dip in.
Yeah, that's right.
Hilarious. Into the idea of if you really want a pool, because sometimes you think you want a pool and then you don't really want a pool. But anyway.
Another thing that you could do with this as well is if you wanted to change it up, you could put fish in here.
Yeah,
make it a pond. Whatever you wanted to do with this,
And you may think that right now, this is December, this isn't time to be thinking about pools, but actually this is the perfect time to be thinking about pools, because we're in December, we're in planning mode right now, and so now if you think about planning your pool for now, you'll have it for spring. Spring is not the time to start thinking about your pool. But the good thing, I'm thinking this through, the good thing about the waiting until spring and the stock pool is that it's such a quick project, you actually could, it's not like digging a pool, it's not like 3 months in.
This is a day project.
Day?
We can do it in a day.
All right, so if y'all are thinking about getting a pool, or you've been thinking about a stock pool, or if you've never even heard of this, this is a perfect alternative for you guys. So let me know if you have any questions about it, and we'll make sure that Jeremy's in the comment section answering all those questions for you.